Good morning, students. In last video, we are discussing about different types of matrices. Okay, so based on different types of matrices, now today I am going to deal with some important problems based on different types of matrices. Okay, now we will discuss some more problems. Now here, problem number 3 says, construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to square bracket Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I upon j. Second one, Aij is equal to I plus 2j to the power of 2 divided by 2. Third one, Aij is equal to I plus j to the power of 2 divided by 2. You have to construct only 2 cross 2 matrix. In general, Aij. As you know that if it is 2 cross 2 matrix, in general we take Aij. Take I value 1, j value 1. First row of the first element A11, then A12, then A21, then A2. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay. Now to find 4 elements, namely A11, A12, A21, A2. Now we are given first problem, given data Aij is equal to I divided by j. Take one by one number. Now take I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, A11. Put I is 1, j is 1. 1 divided by 1, that is 1. Okay. Then take I value to 1, j value 2. I value 1, j value 2, 1 by 2. Next element A21. Take I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. 2 divided by 1, that is 2. Okay. Whereas take I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. We got 4 elements. Therefore, matrix A is equal to 4 elements A11 1, A12 1 by 2, A21 2, A22 1. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. One mark. Okay. Then second one, Aij is equal to I plus 2j to the power of 2 divided by 2. Now again construct 2 cross 2 matrix. 4 elements, namely A11, A12, A21, A2. Now same type, take I value 1, j value 1, A11. Put I is 1 plus 2 into j value 1 whole power 2 divided by 2. 1 plus 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 square 9 divided by. Next, take I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. I value 1 plus 2, j value 2 whole power 2 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 square 25 divided by 2. Right? Next, take I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. Put I is 2 plus 2 into j value 1 whole power 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 square 16 divided by 2. After simplification 8. Then one more element. Take I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. A22. I value 2 plus 2 into j value 2 whole power 2 divided by 2. That is 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 square 36 by 2. That is 18. We got 4 elements. Therefore, matrix A is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix A11. A11 value 9 divided by 2. A12 value 25 divided by 2. A21 value is 8. A22 is 18. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Right? Similarly, third problem. Same thing. Given Aij is equal to I plus j to the power of 2 divided by 2. Again, to find 4 elements, namely take I value 1, j value 1, A11, 1 plus 1 to the power of 2 divided by 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square is 4 divided by 2. That is 2. Take I value 1, j value 2, A12. 1 plus 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 square is 9 divided by 2. Right? Then take I value 1, j value 3. I value 1, j value 3. 1 plus 3 to the power of 2 divided by 2. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 square 16 by 2, that is 8. And finally take I value, not 1, 3, that is 2, 1. I value 2, j value 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 square. How much? 9. That is also 9 by 2. Not 3, 1. A 2, 1. 2 plus 1 whole power 2 divided by 2. 9 by 2. Then take I value 2, j value 2. 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 square. 16 divided by 2, that is 8. Therefore, A is the matrix 4 elements. A11, A11 value 2, A12 9 by 2, A21 again 9 by 2, right? A22 8. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Dear students, each question carries 1 mark. They will ask in final exam. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 4. Similar to previous problem. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. Whereas in previous problem 2 cross 2 matrix. Only 4 elements. Here 3 cross 4 matrix, totally 12 elements. A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by first one. Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3i plus j. Whereas second one, Aij is equal to 2i minus j. Now we have construct 3 cross 4 matrix. It means what? 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 horizontal lines, 4 vertical lines. In general, 3 cross 4 matrix is A11, A12, A13, A14. 4 elements, 4 columns. A21, A22, A23, A24. Then A31, A32, A33, A34. This is 3 cross 4 matrix. This is general form of 3 cross 4 matrix. Now to find all elements. Okay. Now here given Aij is equal to, given data Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3i plus j. Now to find 1 by 1 element, take A is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. A11. Put I value 1, j value 1. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into I value 1, j value 1. Right? That equals 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. That is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 is plus 2. Modulus of negative value will become positive value, isn't it? So 2 cancel, that is 1. Then take I value 1, j value 2. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 1 plus, that is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 2. How much? Minus 1. That is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. That equals 1 by 2. Then take I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3. 1 by 3 into minus 3 into 1, j value 3. 1 by 3 into minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3. That is 1 by 3 into minus 3 plus 3, 0. Modulus of 0 becomes 0. 1 by 3 into 0, 0. Next, take I is equal to 1, j is equal to 4. 1 by 3 into modulus of, 1 by 2 into, not 1 by 3, 1 by 2 into. Okay, make it correction. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 1 plus 4. That is 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 4. How much? 1. That is 1 by 2. Modulus of 1 is plus 1. That is 1 by 2. First row is over. Then take second row. What is that? A21. A21 is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 2 plus 1. That is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 5 is plus 5. 1 by 2 into 5. 5 by 2. Next, A21. A22. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 2 plus 2. That is 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 2. How much? Minus 4. 1 by 2 into, but modulus of minus 4 is plus 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 2. Next element 8, 2, 3. Put I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3. Minus 3 into 2 plus 3. I value 2, j value 3. That is 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 plus 3. That is 3 by 2. Next element 8, 2, 4. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 2 plus 4. J value is 4. Simplify. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 2 is plus 4. 2 cancel. That is 1. Second row is over. Then take third row. 8, 3, 1. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 3 plus 1. 3i, I value 3 plus j value is 1. That is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 1. That is 1 by 2 into minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 is plus 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are, that is 4. Next, A32. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 3 plus j value is 2. Simplify. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 3 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 7 is plus 7. That is 7 by 2. Right? Next element. A33. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 3 plus j value 3. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 3. 1 by 2 into minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. That is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 6 is plus 6. That is equal to 3. 2 ones are 2. Then finally A34. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 3 plus j value 4. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 4 minus 5. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 5. How much? 5. That is 1 by 2 into 5. 5 by 2. We got all elements. Therefore, A is the matrix A11. First element A11. A11 value 1. A12 1 by 2. A13 0. A14 1 by 2. First row over. Second row A21 5 by 2. A22 2. A23 3 by 2. A24 1. Next A31 4. A32 7 by 2. A33 value 3. A34 is 5 1. This is 3 rows 4 column matrix. 3 cross 4 matrix. Okay. Similarly, one more problem. So that is second one is Aij is equal to, what is that? 2i minus j. Okay. Now we need to find all elements. Take one by one. I value 1, j value 1. A11. 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 1. 1. Next, A12. I value 1, j value 2. 2 into 1 minus 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Right? Next, A13. 2 into I value 1, j value 3. 2 minus 3. Minus 1. A14. 2 into I value 1, j value 4. 2 minus 4. How much? Minus. First row over. Then take second row. A21. I value 2, j value 1. Put I value 2, j value 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Next, A22. Put I is equal to 2, j is equal to Next, 8 to 3. 2 into I value 2, j value 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 to 4. 2 into I value 2, j value 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Second row over. Then take third row. 8 3 1. 2 into I value 3, j value 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 8 3 2. Take I value 3, j value 2. 2 into 3 minus 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3 is 4. Right? Next, take I value 3, j value 3. 2 into 3 minus 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then finally 8 3 4. Take I value 3, j value 4. 2 into 3 minus 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Therefore, A is the matrix, 3 cross 4 matrix. First row, A11 is 1, A12 0, A13 minus 1, A14 minus 2. Right? Second row, A21 3, A22 value 2, A23 value 1, A24 is 0. Right? Third row, A31 5, A32 A21 5, A32 is 4, A33 is 3, A34 is 2. This is 3 rows, 4 column matrix. 3 cross 4 matrix. Modulus sign ittaga, modulus of active value become positive, whereas modulus of positive is positive. You know the definition of modulus function, isn't it? Here students, this problem number 5. Same thing. Construct a 3 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into again modulus of I minus 3j. Look. So given fifth one is given data. Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of I minus 3j. Construct 3 cross 2 matrix. It means 3 rows, 2 columns. The general form of 3 cross 2 matrix. 3 rows, say A11, A12, A13. Right? 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows. A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A3. This is 3 rows, 2 columns. Construct 3 cross 2 matrix. 3 horizontal lines, 2 vertical lines, namely A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A3. Now to find one by one element. Okay? Now take I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1. A11. 1 by 2 into, take I value 1, j value 1. 1 minus 3 into 1. That is 1 by 2 modulus of 1 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 2 is plus. 2 to cancel, that is 1. Next, take I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3 into j value. So that 1 by 2 modulus of 3 2s are 6. 1 minus 6 minus 5. 1 by 2 into what modulus of minus 5 is? Plus 5. That is 5 1. Right? Next, A to 1. First row over. Take second row. A to 1. 1 by 2. I value 2 minus 3 into j value 1. 1 by 2 into modulus of 3 1s are 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2. Next, take I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2. Right? That is 1 by 2. Modulus of 3 2s are 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. That is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 4 is plus 4. 2 1s are 2. Second row over. Take third row. A31. Put I is equal to 3. J value 1. 1 by 2 to 3 minus 3 into 1. that is 1 by 2 into 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Modulus of 0 is 0, right? 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. Then finally a prefix 1 by 2 into I value 3 minus 3 into j value 2. 1 by 2 into modulus of 3 to the 6. 3 minus 6 minus 3. 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 is plus 3. 1 by 2 into 3 is 3 by 2. We got 6 elements. Therefore, A is the matrix. 3 rows, 2 column matrix. A11 value 1. A12 5 by 2. A21 1 by 2. A22 that is 2. A31 0. A32 3 by 2. This is 3 rows, 2 column matrix. Here, whereas problem number 6, sixth problem. In find the value of x, y, and z from the following matrices. So first one, given data 2 cross 2 matrix 4 3 first row, second row x 5, right, is equal to again 2 cross 2 matrix y z 1 5. Now to find the value of three unknown values x value, y value, z value. Observe LHS part, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. RHS matrix is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Observe this. Both the matrices having the same order. By definition of equal matrices, two matrices A and B having the same order are said to be equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. Note, two matrices are the same way, those two matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal. 4 is equal to y, therefore y is equal to 4. Then 3 is equal to z, z is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 1 and 5 is equal to 5. So x value 1, therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, z is equal to, that is 1 mark. X value 1, y value 4, z value, right? Whereas second one, find x, y, z from the matrices. Again 2 cross 2 matrix, x plus 1 2 first row, second row 5 plus z x1 is equal to, again 2 cross 2 matrix, 6 2 5 8. Again observe this clearly, both the matrices having the same order are said to be equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. That is x plus y is equal to 6, call it as equation 1, and 2 is equal to 2. Then 5 plus z is equal to 5, 5 plus z is equal to 5, and x into y is equal to 8, x into y is equal to 8, right? So simplify to find the value of x, y, z. Here 5 plus z is equal to 5 order, therefore z is equal to 5, that 5 goes to its side, minus 5, 5 minus 5, 0, we got 1 value, z value. Now to find x and y value. See, here we know that, you know the formula. Consider x minus y to the power of 2. X minus y to the power of 2 formula, you know, x square plus y square minus 2xy. Or we can write like this, that is same as, we can write x plus y to the power of 2 is equal to x plus y to the power of 2. X minus y to the power of 2 is equal to x plus y to the power of 2. Minus 4 times xy, are they same? Yes. Expand here, x plus y to the power of 2 is x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy. That is x square plus y square minus 2xy. But x square plus y square minus 2xy is nothing but x minus y to the power of 2, right? Now simplify, x minus y to the power of 2 is equal to, the value of x plus y 6, 6 square is 36, right? Minus 4, xy value 8. Simplify, 36 minus 8 4s are 30. So that x minus y to the power of 2 is equal to 36 minus 32, 4. Therefore, x minus y is equal to, taking the square root on both sides, x minus y is equal to 2. For that equation. Now we got z value to find x and y, so let's solve equation 1 and 2. Here the equation solve not simultaneous equation. Okay, suppose to find the value of x, eliminate y. Similarly, to find the value of y, eliminate x. X find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, y eliminate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Y find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, x eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So how to solve? Subtract those two equations. Now equation 1 minus equation 2 gives. Subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ equation 1 minus equation 2. X minus x eliminated. Y minus of minus y, that is plus y. Y minus of minus y plus y, totally 2y, right, is equal to 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. Therefore, divide by 2, y is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is 2, right? Now to find x, put y is equal to 2 either in equation 1 or in equation, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು equation substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Now take equation 1, therefore equation 1 gives, put y is equal to 2 either in equation 1 or equation 2. Take equation 1, x plus 1, x plus y, y value is 2, is equal to 6, right? Therefore x is equal to 6, that 2 goes to right side, minus 2, 6 minus 2, how much? 4. Therefore x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0. X value 4, y value 2, z value 0. Yes friends? Okay. Now here one more problem, problem number 3. Here ನೋಡಿ, x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z. This is 3 rows, only 1 column. 3 rows, 1 column. This is also 3 row, 1 column. To find x, y, z. Now clearly these two matrices are equal matrices. Therefore, by definition of equal matrices, corresponding elements are equal. That is x plus y plus z is equal to 9, right? Then x plus z is equal to how much? 5, and y plus z is equal to 7. Y plus z is equal to 7. Now to find x, y, z. Now here x plus y plus z is equal to 9. This implies the value of x plus z, limit y, x plus z value is how much? 5 plus y as it is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to 9. That 5 goes to right side, minus 5. If 5 is equal to minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4. So y value is 4. Right? Then y plus z is equal to 7. This implies, you know the value of y. Y value is 4 plus z is equal to 7. Therefore z is equal to 7. That 4 goes to right side, minus 4. 7 minus 4, z value is, right? And here x plus z is equal to 5. This implies the value of x is wrote down as is. You know the value of z. Z value is 3, is equal to 5. What is this x value? X is equal to 5. Transfer it. That 3 goes to right side, minus 3. 5 minus 3 is. Therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 3 by using the definition of equality of two matrices. Okay? Next problem, problem number 7. Find the value of A, B, C, D, 4 unknown values from the matrices. Now given data, first matrix A minus B, 2A plus C. Second row 2A minus B, 3C plus D is equal to, again 2 cross matrix, minus 1, 5, 0, 13. To find the value of 4 unknown values A, B, C and D. Observe this. Clearly these two matrices having the same order. Left hand side matrix is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Right hand side is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Right? Now by definition of equal matrices, corresponding elements are equal. What is that? Corresponding element A minus B is equal to minus 1. right? Then this is 2a minus b is equal to corresponding element is 0. This is equation 1. This is called as equation 2. Next 2a plus c is equal to 5, right? Called as equation 3. And corresponding element 3c plus d is equal to 13, called as equation 4, right? Now solving those equations to find the value of a, b, c and d. Now take first and second equation. Now to find the value of a and b. Suppose to find the value of a, eliminate b. Similarly to find the value of b, eliminate a find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ b eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. b find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ a eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So you have to eliminate b. Here minus b, here also minus b. So here eliminate ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Subtract. So here equation 1 minus equation 2 gives. Subtract those two equations. See what happened? A minus 2a is minus a minus b minus of minus b. How much? Plus b. Minus b minus of minus b plus b. Minus b plus b cancel. Minus 1 minus 0. That is minus 1. Now eliminate minus sign. Therefore a is equal to plus 1. Right? Now for a is equal to plus 1, either in equation 1 or equation 2, take any one equation, you get the value of b. Now take equation 1. Equation 1 gives a minus b is equal to minus 1. But you know the value of a. A value is 1 minus b is equal to minus 1. Right? Simplify. Minus b is equal to minus 1. That one goes to right side. Minus 1. So that minus b is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Therefore b is equal to plus 1. We got b back. Then to find c and d, take equation 3. Equation 3 gives. What is equation 3? 2a plus c is equal to 5. 2. You know the value of a. Already solved. A value is 1 plus c is equal to 5. 2 plus c is equal to 5. Therefore c is equal to 5. That 2 goes to right side. Minus 2. 5 minus 2 plus 10. We got c here. Then take equation 4. Now equation 4 gives. 3c plus d is equal to 30. 3. You know the value of c. That is 3 plus d is equal to 30. Right? 3 3s are 9 plus d is equal to 30. Therefore d is equal to 30. That time goes to right side minus 9. Therefore d is equal to 30 minus 9. 4. Therefore a value 1. Therefore a is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. C is equal to 3. D is equal to 4. Find the value of A, B, C and D. A value 1, B value 2, C value 3, D value 4. Right? Similarly, second question. Again find A, B, C, D from the matrices. Now first row 2A plus B, A minus 2B. Second row 5C minus D, 4C plus 3D is equal to, again 2 cross 2 matrix, 4 minus 3, 11, 24. Okay. Now observe those two matrices. Clearly this is 2 cross 2 matrix. That is also 2 cross 2 matrix. Clearly those two matrices are equal matrices. You know the definition of equal matrices. What is that? Corresponding elements are equal. That is 2a plus b is equal to 4. Right? Next, a minus 2b is equal to minus 3. Called as equation 1 and we have equation 2. Next, 5c minus d is equal to corresponding element is 11. Equation 3. 4c plus 3d is equal to 24. Called as equation 4. Right? Now solving those equations to find a, b and c and d. Okay. Now here take first and second equation. To find the value of a, eliminate b. Similarly to find the value of b, eliminate a. Note a find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ b eliminate ಆಗಬೇಕು. B find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A eliminate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Whether by adding or subtracting any one term get cancel, add ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು term cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So what can you do? Multiply second equation by 2. ಈ second equation 2 ರಿಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A into 2, 2A. Here 2A, here 2A, subtract. So first equation as it is. Now 2A plus B is equal to 4 as it is. Multiply second equation by 2. 2A, 2B into 2, 4B, minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Subtract, minus, here plus, here plus. Subtract, minus, 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 plus, minus, minus, plus. Plus 2A minus 2A cancel, plus B, plus 4B. Don't take that sign, take this sign. Plus B, plus 4B. Totally 5B is equal to plus 4 plus 6. Don't take that sign, take this sign. 4 plus 6, that is 10. Now divide by 5. B is equal to 10 divided by 5. That is 2. Right? Put B is equal to either first equation or second equation. Now equation 2. Therefore equation 1, or if you take equation 2, no problem. You take any one equation. 2A plus B, B value is equal to 4. Right? So 2A is equal to 4. That 2 goes to right side, minus 2. 4 minus 2. Divide both sides by 2. A is equal to 2 divided by 2. How much? 1. We got A value. Similarly, solving those two equations, equation 3 and 4, again to find the value of C and D. Same procedure. Suppose to find the value of C, eliminate D. Similarly, to find the value of D, eliminate A. A C find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ D eliminate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ D find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ C eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, whether by adding or subtracting any one term eliminated, add ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ subtract ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು term eliminate ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So what can you do? Multiply third equation by 3. Third equation 3 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು D into 3, 3D. Here 3D eliminated. So now multiply third equation by 3. 3 into 5, 15C, minus D into 3, 3D is equal to 11 into 3, 13. Then fourth equation as it is, 4C plus 3D is equal to 20. Whether adding or subtracting? Adding, here minus sign, here plus sign. ಎರಡು add ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Adding 15C plus 4C, 19C, minus 3D plus 3D cancel, 33 plus 24, how much? 757. Right? Now divide by 19, C is equal to 57 divided by 19, 19 ones are 19 threes are, therefore C is equal to 3. We got C value, right? Put C is equal to 3, either in equation 3 or equation 4. Now equation 4, take equation 3, take equation 3 gives. What is equation 3? 5C, C value is 3, minus D is equal to 11, right? Simplify, 5 3s are 15, minus D is equal to 11, implies minus D is equal to 11, that 15 goes to right side, minus 15, so that minus D is equal to 15, 11 minus 15, minus 4, therefore D is equal to plus 4. We got all values. Therefore, A is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to 2. C is equal to 3. And D is equal to 4. Both answers same. First one, that is first one is also A value 1, B value 2, C value 3, D value 4. Whereas second one is also same answer. Right? So, they will ask in final exam, that is 3 mark question. It can be 2 or 3 mark questions. Clear, students? Oh, thank you.